Great place to start. The guides actually lay out some key prerequisites.
Yeah, it's more than just downloading and clicking install.
Exactly. First and foremost, you need to have Splunk Enterprise or Splunk Cloud Platform already running.
Think of enterprise security as an app that sits on top of that foundation.
And along with that, you need the appropriate Splunk license, either based on your daily data volume or vCPU usage.
So your regular Splunk licensing covers enterprise security too. There's no extra ingestion capacity just for ES.
That's right, the guides for both installation and usage emphasize those core Splunk requirements.
There are also some specifics around where you can install it.
Yes, for search head clusters, it currently supports Linux-based clusters only, not Windows.
Good to keep in mind if you're in a clustered environment.
And before you even install, it's recommended to review the Splunk platform requirements to ensure your system meets the minimum specifications.
Things like CPU cores and RAM, which vary depending on your environment.
The installation guide has a table outlining those minimums for search heads and indexers.
And it also mentions removing any deployment client configurations if you use a deployment server to manage apps.
That's a crucial step to avoid installation issues.
So to quickly recap for you, our listener, the big ones are having Splunk Enterprise or Cloud, the right Splunk license, considering your deployment environment like single instance or cluster, and making sure your hardware meets the minimums.